Good morning, David.
Good morning.
If you want to just let anybody watching this short video know your experience with spinal decompression.
Yes, I'd love to do that. About 3 months ago, I hurt my back quite severely picking up a piece of concrete, and I was in really bad shape. I was in a lot of pain. I couldn't really move, certainly couldn't stand up. I was basically bent over if I would try to move around, and it was a big deal for me just to even go from one chair to another or from a bed to a chair. So I was in a lot of pain, and I didn't know what to do for a few weeks, but then finally, and I certainly didn't want to get surgery or anything like that if I could avoid it. So the first thing that I managed to find Dr. Rosenthal, and I liked the idea of a machine that would stretch out my spine and heal it without any kind of surgical intervention. And so we started doing treatments. My wife brought me in a wheelchair, and even after the first few treatments, it was helping me because I could feel that I could actually stand up straight, which was a nice feeling. And then that would last for a bit, and after a couple weeks, my wife was driving me, but then after a few weeks, I felt good enough to be able to drive myself, and started coming in about 3 times a week myself. First, I was using a walker to get around, and I was really feeling myself making steady progress. And after about 2 months, then I was really getting better. And I was very happy about that because it was a little worrying.
Sure.
And it's been very cool because it's been a steady progression since then. And I can almost after every session, I can feel that I'm dramatically better. I'll go take a walk afterwards.
No more walkers.
And then gradually, now I haven't been using a walker. And then I was using a kind of a cane. And now I've given up the cane, and I'm just walking around straight. And even in the last few days, I've been getting dramatically better.
Awesome.
I'm almost walking normally now.
Awesome.
So I'm hugely grateful for Dr. Rosenthal and from the machine, and encourage everyone to try it.
All right. Thank you so much, David. Appreciate it.